Papa, I want to shoot Adeline. Where is she?
Mom, kids, go check. Oh.
Adeline.
Huh? Blanket. You have big blanket or no?
What you do? See? We are here in level 1, pick up and drop off, waiting for the car, which Archie booked.
I think we need to go there.
Mm-hmm.
We need to go there just in
Okay.
case.
Our things.
You can go down there.
Move little bit. Check. Cannot, because it's already dark. Cannot take photo. No. Hello, so we just arrived here in KL, and I will do a quick tour of our place where we stay here. Okay, so from the main door, this is our kitchen. Kitchen is small, like this only. So let's see what they have here. Some washing machine. They also have some filtered water. Oh, induction, and then oven. Archie, I remember this oven. It's same with our oven before, but it's much bigger. This is small. Our oven in Singapore before, our first oven, which you bought. Oh, they also have, oh nice, they have this vacuum, and then fridge over here. So this is the dining area, and over here Archie will stay here. So maybe they plan that like kids stay here, but no, Archie will stay here. His things is already here. Small room with aircon, and over here is a toilet. So it's a connecting okay, let's check. Toilet and bath. They also provide shampoo and body wash. Also have some working desk for Archie. And over here, this is the living room. Adeline already watching cartoon. She just woke up. She fell asleep in the car.
And this is a reason why I took this place, because this was nearest to clinic.
Mm-hmm.
This is a walking table.
Oh yeah, tell me the purpose why we are here in KL.
We come for the medical checkup for my surgery, laser surgery correction.
For your eyes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow they do evaluation my suitability, if I able to make, if my eyes suitable for laser correction. Yeah.
So just check up like this?
Yeah, we just check up.
Okay. Yeah, this is
It's
our
much
purpose.
cheaper. They give a very good price.
How much?
Like basically in Singapore dollar is 2,400, something like this, like plus money. I'm not don't remember exact amount, but roughly like 2,400 is pretty.
In
And it's
Singapore.
not even not LASIK. It's not LASIK. It's Clear Pro.
Okay, I don't understand because
No,
they
there's
already
many
explained.
laser surgery
Mm-hmm.
types, and it's called Clear Pro. Maybe I give explanation. Okay, I even don't know how to pronounce corneal lenticule extraction for advanced reflective correction. My surgery call it. It's not LASIK, it's something more advanced. Let's give more explanation. It will give you more explanation.
CLEAR is an acronym for corneal lenticule extraction for advanced refractive correction, a minimally invasive laser eye surgery designed to correct refractive errors such as myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, and astigmatism. This procedure is similar to small incision lenticule extraction, SMILE, but incorporates advanced refractive correction technology to enhance visual outcomes. Key features of the CLEAR procedure. Minimally invasive.
Yeah, I
CLEAR
think
is a flawless
those
procedure that uses low energy
those who would like to know more about this procedure, you can Google about this. But the good thing is very good discount. They had really good promotion.
Mm-hmm.
Just like I managed to take this promotion for Chinese New Year, but my surgery most probably will be scheduled on April.
Mm-hmm.
And it appears to be very advanced, much more advanced than LASIK, and much less risk associated with complications.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very advanced surgery using top niche equipment, and it's very cheap. It's 2K plus. It's
wait.
impossible to get such price in Singapore.
Wait,
Just
2K
impossible.
2K plus converted already in
Yeah, it's converted
SGD.
Malaysia ringgit. In Malaysia ringgit, like 7,000 something,
Oh,
like almost
okay.
8,000
Okay.
in Malaysian ringgit. If you're not aware about the prices, like in Singapore, similar procedure cost you about 6K, like maybe like 5 plus.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Expensive.
Yeah, very expensive.
Yeah.
In Singapore, here is still possible to find something more affordable. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Malaysia. This is not ordinary price. The normal price would be like maybe about 4, but still cheaper compared to in Singapore about 6. Here about 4K.
Mm-hmm.
So still cheaper. Yeah.
And how do you find about this?
Just search online.
Search
Just simply
online.
search online.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope.
Yeah. They also like there's a lot of I use ChatGPT to decide what surgery may suitable for me, but because there's a lot of like relax smile, TransPRK, LASIK, now this clear, so many like it's confusing, like a lot of research to understand what may suits you, what pros and cons of each surgery. So it's a bit complicated. Yeah. But seems for my subscription, the Clear Pro is seems to be fit. But let's see what say doctor tomorrow.
So you will just
I need his
update us.
confirmation to double check that I'm suitable for such procedure. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's check the balcony. Oh, wait. By the way, the living room have fan. Okay, this is the balcony, like small only. And then where you hang your clothes over here. This is our view. Okay, let's check the master's bedroom where me and the kids stay here. I sleep with the kids. So this is our bed. And then the toilet and bath is over here. Like this. Like this. Okay, is it window only or no? Oh, yeah, just window. Okay. By the way, the Archie choose nice location here because
No, the location I primarily choose just because approximate distance to clinic. This is only reason. I didn't choose a nice location. Not like I was looking for place to work, and I also looking for nearby to clinic. This is only criteria. I didn't look for any amenities. This is just luck. This is just luck. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, because I'm talking the location is nice because downstairs is already have some shops.
Vegetarian restaurant.
Yeah,
Like vegetarian restaurant, supermarket, a lot food court, everything just like nearby. Amazing, very convenient. Yeah. For example, in Singapore where we stay, there's nothing,
Yes.
just nothing. We need to walk minimum like 10-15 minutes, right, to reach some mini-mart. No, like about 10 minutes walk just to reach mini-mart. So supermarket maybe about 15-20.
Yeah. What time now? It's already 9 o'clock. Yeah, so you still want to go to shop?
Yeah. Let's go because we buy some snack before we sleep.
Oh, okay. Maybe we will go to shop before we sleep. So at least tomorrow we have something to eat.
Yeah, tomorrow we need to go early. It's 10 a.m. Appointments 10 a.m.
Yeah, so at
So
least
we need to leave like maybe 9 or 8:50 like
Yeah.
this. I don't know how much time it takes.
that's why at least.
They also take time to find the place. Because we reach there, we need to find where is it located. So it's also may take time. We are first time. I am not familiar with this area at all.
Yeah. At least we can buy some food for the kids tomorrow. We have something to eat before we go to the clinic. Yeah, so bye bye. Yeah, we will go shop already. We will go down. So we will go now to the supermarket. So these are all what we bought. I also want to try this ayran. Archie said it's like kefir.
Yeah.
Kefir is like drink in Russia, but this one is salty. So let's try later. And Archie also bought soya milk. And then this one also because like the smell, the aroma is like very sweet. So let's check later. We will eat this. So let's try. Salty, luchik one. Yeah. Quite unusual to drink salty milk, Papa. But yeah, I can drink. So both kids are already sleeping tight. They are very tired. Thank you for watching our vlog and for your support. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Paalam.